make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on our other great content. We've got a ton of great stuff, including things like snorkeling, kayaking, hiking, exploring, drone flights, and more. We show you interesting places from around the world, and we even try to give you helpful info and recommendations, gear review, and lots of other great stuff. And we show you what's out there and show you things that you might want to try out yourself. You might also want to hit that thumbs up button, and also remember to leave a comment down below. We want to know what you think. Also, if you have your own experiences, we want to hear about those too, so definitely leave a comment down below. Now, as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on that next video.